By 2026, building a profitable YouTube channel will not require a camera, a physical studio, or even showing your face on screen. YouTube's viewer base is shifting toward rural areas and smaller villages. These millions of new users are actively searching for digital guidance, specifically in the areas of personal finance and daily motivation. This national interest grew following government-backed AI summits, which introduced advanced technology to the mainstream. This created a widespread curiosity about AI tools in regions like Bihar and Rajasthan, driving people to search for content that teaches them how to use these new systems. Over the next 5 minutes, I will walk you through the process of building a completely faceless video from scratch, ending with a file you can upload today. By applying this specific faceless workflow to my own content, I have seen monthly earnings reach as high as $3,500. Integrating AI into your production allows you to reach this massive audience efficiently, removing the need for traditional recording equipment. Step 1 is ideation. We need a high-demand topic to ensure we aren't wasting time on content nobody is searching for. Open ChatGPT and enter a prompt, such as, "Give me 5 video topics on personal finance." From the list provided, choose the topic that offers the most practical value. You are looking for a subject that provides a clear solution to a common financial problem. Step 2 is drafting. We will now have the AI expand that single topic into a full, structured video script. A good script needs 3 parts: a hook to grab attention, a body providing value, and a clear outro. Once generated, read the text aloud to fix robotic phrases, ensuring the audio feels natural. Using AI for this stage removes the difficulty of the blank page, giving you a professional script to work with in seconds. Step 3 is converting that written script into a finished audio track. Be careful with tools that claim to offer completely free AI voices for life. Most of these do not grant you the commercial rights required to monetize your channel, which can lead to legal issues later. For most beginners, the best path is to record the script using the Voice Memo app on your smartphone. It is free, simple, and you own the rights to the recording automatically. If you have a budget and prefer not to use your own voice, you can use a professional AI platform like 11 Labs. These services offer high-quality voices, but remember that a paid subscription is necessary to legally use their output on a commercial YouTube channel. The goal is to ensure you own your audio. Start with a free recording on your phone and consider upgrading to paid AI voices as your channel grows. Step 4 is the editing phase, where we pair your audio with relevant visuals. I recommend the VN Video Editor app. It is a powerful tool that is easy to use on a mobile device. First, import your audio track to set the length of the video. Then, place free stock footage and images on the tracks above the audio to illustrate what is being said. Focus on keeping the viewer engaged. You can do this by adding basic transitions and placing text on the screen to emphasize your main points. Successful editing for faceless channels is about timing. If your visuals change in sync with the points made in your voiceover, the video will feel professional and polished. Step 5 is preparing your video for the YouTube algorithm so it can be discovered by viewers. Even a high-quality video will fail to gain views if the metadata, like the title and tags, is ignored during the upload process. To handle this quickly, use a dedicated tool like CreatorSathi.ai. By typing in your main topic, the tool generates an optimized title, a detailed description, and a list of tags for the search engine. Copy this information and paste it directly into the corresponding fields in your YouTube Studio upload page. Automating your SEO helps the algorithm categorize your video, improving the chances of appearing in front of crowds searching for these topics. You have now taken a concept and turned it into a fully optimized faceless video in just a few minutes. Keep in mind that a single upload is rarely enough to build a channel. Success on YouTube requires a long-term commitment to a regular schedule. Your next goal should be repeating this 5-step loop until you have a library of 10 to 20 videos. This is how you build momentum and start seeing consistent growth. To help you get started, you need to choose the right subject. Subscribe and hit the bell to see our next video, where I list the top 5 most profitable niches for a new faceless channel.